Napkin AI is an awesome AI tool that can help you generate sketch, notes, and much more, even system designs. So let's dive into it in a few minutes, and it'll be really, really awesome. It's really worth your attention for the next 2-3 minutes. So Napkin AI is actually a tool that can help you visualize your text in a great way, and it's free at the moment. They have these beta testing phases, but all you need to do, they had some wait list, and I think that now you can just join for free. I already have my account, so I'm just gonna sign in. And after signing in, you can see that you have the things I already played with, and ignore the Hebrew for a second if you're not speaking Hebrew. And you can see I have the library on the left-hand side, or I can have the option to create a new napkin. I'm going to click on create new napkin. I can choose blank if I want just a blank page, or I can use the draft with AI button, which is really cool. I'm going to click draft with AI, and in this part, all I need to do is to say what I want. And I can say, I want to record a new course about AI and coding and the future of coding in the AI era. And I need to explain everything about client side, server side, coding, tech, stacks, and much more. That's it. I just wrote my note, and now Napkin AI is going to take my note, use AI to generate the outline of the course. And look how amazing this thing is. It actually generates the course. Hold on. It's going to generate the course. We have the title, and then we have the abstract, and then we have the content. Introduction to AI encoding, understanding the client side, blah, 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 all this. Now I can note this. I can actually hover with the mouse on each paragraph, and I can have this flash sign on the left hand side. So if I will click on this icon, you can see what will happen. It means generate visuals. So let's click on it for a second, because the best way to try things out is to touch buttons. Maybe we shouldn't, but I think it's really, really fun. So once I clicked on generate, we can see that the AI took this text as the context and created a visual based on the text I highlighted. So we have the options to choose which style we want, and once we are clicking on something, we can even change the design that is within and pick the color. And even after we picked some design, we can click and we can change each and every element. Now this is really, really cool. We can export the image, we can change the design, the background color, the aspect ratio, the styles, and it's really fun to play with. I am really enjoying playing with this great AI tool. So this is by only highlighting this article, but actually we can do much more. We can even click Command A or Control A, and then we have this huge flash button. When I say huge, I mean that it follows us all the way. I will click on this flash icon, and now we will have the diagram created from the entire text. Okay, now this should be really, really cool as well. Let's go back for a second, and let's say that I want something that emphasizes the entire course. All right, so let's click on this one, and I want something really nice and clean in design. I think that this is good. By the way, we can scroll down and generate more if we like in the main designs. So as you can see, I have the buttons, and I can change the elements. If I click on anything and I just hover over the flash icon, I can even select other icons, and this is really, really cool. And if I want to export it, I can even select the color mode, light, dark, background, resolution, PNG, SVG, PDF, and so on. And another great thing about this tool is that we can even sketch. And if you don't know how to sketch, like me, look what is going on. I don't know. We can even select it tries to auto fix our sketches. So let me try to do better. All right, this looks like a circle, right? Like a square, sorry. And this should be, I don't know, I wanted to draw a circle. All right, it understood it. That's cool. And we can connect the dots between elements. And this is really, really nice. But you have a nicer feature, which is using the Sparks search. And when we click on it, then we can see that we have pre-built icons, not icons, but let's say sparks. And the sparks are actually some kind of diagrams or sketches or whatever. And if we will say like dog, we have animal. And if we say cow, and this is also cool. But what if we really want user? All right, I'm going to click enter and I have the logo, the icon of a user. Now let's say that I want a server, because I do want to show the client server communication. That's cool. I also have a server. And let's say I also want a website. Let's see, I can click Spark search again. And let's go with website. Yeah, we do. We have a website. Check this out. We have a web. And if I want to change it, I can even select something different. We have this globe icon. If I'm not satisfied, I can just go once again, click again, and website. And I can choose whatever I like. Let's say Google, all right? So the user searches Google and then goes to the back end. Just for the example, I can connect the line, and from Google, I can connect the line to the server side. And I have this nice diagram, and I can just try to highlight all I selected, and I can play with the design even further if I like. And I think we can definitely understand the future of this thing, which is really, really nice. We can add text, we can download and export our image, and this starts to be so intuitive to build things with AI with Napkin AI, because I find it very, very interesting to quickly create graphs and diagrams and even some architecture overview of POCs or MVPs. And this is so cool. So here's a big shout out to the folks who created Napkin AI. I really like you guys. So thank you so much for your awesome product. Thank you very much.